Welcome to my fat blasting leg day workout. You're going to start by placing a band above your knees and start with 4 side steps each way. Nice wide paces, 4 steps going one way, 4 steps going back. There and back is 1 rep. You're repeating this 4 times. Focus on keeping the tension in your glutes throughout. Moving on to bounce squats, you're going to bring yourself to the bottom of the squat and bounce for 20 reps. So when you feel your abductors, that upper part of your glutes start to stretch, that is where you want to push into the bounce. Coming onto a bench, you're going to do reverse hypers. Grip the bench, extend the legs straight back as far as you can, engaging the glutes at the top. So you want to feel them engage and squeeze them in at the top, extending back and out as far back as you can. Moving on to banded cha-cha, I'm in a slight squat and I'm stepping back diagonally for 20 reps alternating. Here, constant tension again. You really want to keep your glutes working throughout. Grab a set of moderately heavy dumbbells for deadlifts. You're doing this for 3 sets of 10, running the dumbbells down along your shins, coming up and squeezing at the top. Keep your back nice and straight. You don't want to round through the shoulders. You're coming into almost a tabletop motion at the very bottom, squeezing the glutes up all the way during the extension motion. So as you come up, squeeze all the way up and in. Moving on to 3 sets of 10 cable Romanian deadlifts with a superset of a reverse lunge. So you're going to do all 10 of your cable Romanian deadlifts. As soon as you complete your 10 reps, then you're going into reverse lunges for 10. You're going to repeat that full sequence as a superset 3 times. So release the weight. For my reverse lunge, I'm stepping back as far as I can to where my knee is almost grazing the ground. I'm doing all 10 on one leg and then all 10 on the other leg. Moving on to the 23 rep AMRAP. So you're going to set your timer for 5 minutes, repeat the sequence as many times as you can, starting with goblet squats for 8, dropping it low, squeezing your glutes at the top. Set the weight down, you're going to do toe taps for 10. Then drop it down, gate swings, 8. You're going to repeat that as many times as you can, the 8 goblet squats, 10 toe taps, 8 gate swings, and repeat it as many times as you can during the 5-minute time. Moving on to jump lunges, nice wide lunges. This is the burnout portion, so I really want you to push yourself for 3 sets of 8. Do you want more fat burning workouts? Join the Fat Loss Challenge. Click below in the info box to get information on joining the next cycle. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a like and subscribe so you never miss another workout.